Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. And I know it's been a while. I've been working a lot, pulling a lot of shifts, and I've had these watches that I bought just before the tariffs were introduced, and I haven't really been able to open up the packages. But I did want to wear this one. I wanted to get into one of the new ones, and so before I left for work, I grabbed this one. But before I get started on reviewing this watch and showing you guys all about it, I do want to shout out to all my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for everything you do, all your liking, subscribing, posting all your comments, and just your general interaction with the channel. I really do appreciate all of the interaction, and it always does help out. And if you are new to this channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate you giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel. So without further ado, let's get into this watch. This is an OLEVS watch that I purchased. Like I said, I bought this about 2 or 3 months ago, right before the tariffs took place. So I got a really good deal on it. I'm not really sure. I can't remember what I paid for it. But I know I got a really good deal on it. You guys know I love my OLEVS watches. If you've checked out my other videos, you can tell I'm a really big OLEVS watch fan. And this watch is no exception to that rule because, like I said, I've had it sitting in a box for a while. I opened up the box this morning and I said, you know what, I really want to wear this. I haven't really reviewed it yet. So I figured maybe, in between calls, I'd give you guys a quick review here. But I am really impressed by it. It's standard OLEVS quality watch. It is a quartz watch with a mineral crystal. It does have 3 ATM water resistance, stainless steel, NO5885G, and it's a great watch, guys. I mean, this thing's got a really tight bezel on it. Got the Cyclops eye. It does follow the trends of some other high-end watch brands, which I will not mention the names of. But very, very nice watch. I mean, the bezel, rotating bezel around the edge does have more of a dull finish to it, which kind of makes it look like it could be a ceramic bezel, but it's I believe just a painted. It's not a ceramic bezel, but it does kind of dull. They do kind of dull it out just a little bit to give you that look that it could be a ceramic bezel. But I do love the shininess of that dial back there, and obviously I love their logo with the crown, and it's just a wonderful watch. Links are really, really tight. I resized it this morning. It was very, very easy to resize it. It does have the traditional clasp, and it is marked with the OLEVS logo on the back, and as always they do have the crown logo on the winding crown itself. Like I said, it is not a winding watch. It is a quartz movement, but it is just a beautiful watch. I'm very, very happy with it. I don't remember what I paid for it, but it had to have been somewhere in the $30 to $35 range. I'm going to take a look and see if I can find a link to this, maybe on Amazon, or maybe even on AliExpress. I will take a look and see if I can find that for you guys and list it. But other than that, once again, great quality watches from OLEVS. I'm not sponsored by OLEVS in any way, but when I do post those links to Amazon or AliExpress, and if you do click on those links, it does send $1 or $2 over to me from the sale for referring you guys over, and that is very much appreciated. It doesn't cost you guys anything more to do it, but it does help out, and it helps out the channel so I can keep these watches and watch reviews coming to you guys. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been on the channel. I think the last video I posted was about a month ago. But here I am. I've still got probably 20 more watches to go that I haven't even opened yet. Maybe I'll start opening them up and just doing some quick reviews while I'm at work on the truck. But wonderful, wonderful watch. Great quality from OLEVS. I've got some OLEVS watches that I've had for over a year and a half now, and they're still ticking beautifully. The only issues that I've really ever had with any of these OLEVS watches is the battery dying, and that's simple to replace in these quartz movements. Other than that, they keep great time. They look wonderful. I've gotten many, many compliments on all of my OLEVS watches. I am expecting to get more compliments on this one as well. So, that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should ever have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, because liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos. And like I said, I will be posting links to this. You can also check out my website at davethewatchman.com. You can also check out my other channel on Rumble, Dave the Watchman on Rumble. If you want to head on over to davethewatchman.com, I do have all the watches that I have reviewed and some watches of interest listed on that website. The affiliate links will bring you right on over to the watches, and you guys can have these watches and wear them for yourself. Once again, all budget-friendly watches. I typically don't ever review watches that are anywhere over $500, and most of the majority of my watches are under the $100 range. So, that being said, once again, Dave the Watchman, thank you guys all so much for everything you do, all your liking, subscribing, and all of your general interaction with the channel. It always does help out, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. So if there's anything you want to see on this channel, just make sure you put that in the comment section below. If you like this watch, also put that in the comment section below. If you hate this watch, put that in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think and what you want to see more of, and I'll definitely try and get my hands on any watches within that budget-friendly price range to review for you guys. So if you got any ideas on what you want to see, just make sure you leave that in the comment section below, and I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up on this video, and I'll keep these videos coming to you. Guys have a great day. I'll see you all in the next watch review video.